Year 2016, the laws had recently passed for marijuana in California, meaning it was legal for any person to go purchase marijuana at a certain age, obviously, as there was an age restriction and still is. Apart from those that are ill, for instance, with cancer. The strange part about this is the senators started making what looked like marijuana dabbing hand arm motions on stage. In some sort of way, it looked strange because, from my point of view, it looked like a Tdap vaccination that many people needed to get. Was it really that they wanted to portray themselves as dabbing, as in terms of cheering for a drug such as marijuana instead? Or was it that they were trying to say people needed their vaccines? Which is obvious that the government would not be cheering for marijuana, is it? Shortly after the coronavirus had come out around the planet, approximately around year 2018 or 19, if I'm correct. And does this happen in real life to this very planet? To the people on this very planet? Meaning the coronavirus is affecting the entire planet. People are dying on a daily basis. They're trying to come out with cures and treatments to treat people, but are people really surviving? Which is obvious and certain that someone and something is going on. For instance, it looks like there is a burp in creation and or something to show that we are all going to die and pass to the next life. Since it is obvious that we did not get Land of the Free and Planet of the Freedom, meaning we did not succeed in getting infinity life, infinity dreams, and infinity everything. Did we? So it is certain that it's obvious that we are going to die again and go to the next life until we get it correct. It's simple, just as concept of education where we would have to repeat a class if we failed it. But this life, my wish for the entire universe was for none of us to have to ever repeat life as in age. So obviously it wasn't anyone else's wish because people seem to be belittling me around here. So it just obviously indicates that people are trying to step on people on a daily basis to get a certain age and or something, for example, stature. So it shows that this planet is not about every person winning as one. It obviously shows that it's about someone else. And it's always about someone else. So in this scenario, in this example, the reason why I said it seems like a burp is because in 2005, I was with Zach, obviously the key to my knob, meaning the proper, measured, exact person to seal and protect my home. Meaning it was going to be forever. And somehow it did not seal and shut and protect every single thing. Which makes it obviously known that it seems like it's a burp in some sort of creation. As in terms of if he is dead and I'm supposed to be with death, the birth years, birthdays do not match. So during the recycles and the passing to the next life, it seems that people have been getting different birthdays. And how is that? It just makes it way more difficult to find your divine partner life after life, doesn't it? Because in the beginning of time, you might find that you can find it on a birthday certificate, such as time, date, and day, blood type, species, race, and or whatever else, color, whatever, to find the proper divine partner. But as we pass and pass and pass, it seems that it's more difficult, isn't it? So how would we know? Which is why it's obvious it's something bigger and something greater that would not let this planet pass.